In this video, I will talk about the 5 truths about affiliate marketing and why people fail in affiliate marketing. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. So the first truth is lack of consistency and patience. So this is the major factor why people fail in affiliate marketing. Because when someone start affiliate marketing, then they want instant gratification. So that means when they start affiliate marketing, then once they launch their funnel and their email automation sequence, and once they start creating a content, then after a 1 week or 1 month, they think that I'm not getting any views and I'm not getting any leads inside my business. And after some times, people quit affiliate marketing. So this is the major factor that why people quit in affiliate marketing. Because if you start affiliate marketing, then you need to be consistent and take a patience. Because if you are not consistent in your affiliate marketing business, for example, if you are not consistent while creating a content, then you definitely fail in affiliate marketing. See, lots of people think that affiliate marketing is very simple. Yeah, this is the truth. Affiliate marketing is very simple, but it's not easy because in affiliate marketing, if you are creating a content, then you must need to be consistent while creating a content and you need to take a patience because it will take some time to get your first sale. Maybe some people get their first commission in just 1 week. Some people get their commission in 1 month. Some people take 6 months or even 1 year. But you need to be consistent and take a patience in affiliate marketing and just consistently creating a content. So if you are a beginner in creating a content, then at the beginning your content quality is not good. But if you are consistent and you create a content every single day, then definitely your content quality is gonna be better and you will get lots of leads and lots of sales inside your affiliate marketing business. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then just start focusing on your mindset and become a consistent and take a patience. And the second truth is people fail in affiliate marketing because they are not following the proven plan. So if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, then you don't need to do everything by yourself. You just need to model what's working. So for example, once you start affiliate marketing, then the first step is you need to select your niche or a topic that you are interested. So there are basically three main evergreen niches that you can use to find good affiliate product to promote, which is health, wealth, and relationship. So once you select the niche, then you need to find other affiliate marketers who are in a same niche. So for example, if you select a wealth niche and inside the wealth niche, if you select affiliate marketing niche, then you need to find other creators who are also in affiliate marketing niche. Then you need to see which affiliate product or course they are promoting. And if you see lots of successful affiliate marketers are promoting the same course inside the affiliate marketing niche, then also you need to start promoting that course. Because if lots of other affiliates are promoting the same course, that means they are making money by promoting that course. So you also need to start promoting that course. You don't need to find any new product or course that no one knows about. You need to promote the product or course there is already buzz in the market and lots of people know about that product or course. So once you find 5 to 6 affiliate marketers who are also in affiliate marketing niche, then you need to see what they are doing. You need to check their funnel, you need to join their email automation sequence and see which type of content they are creating to promote the product that you want to promote. So you just need to model that content. You don't need to copy word by word. Just model their content and add your own twist on it. And if you follow the proven strategy consistently, then you will also see your results faster. Then the third truth is people promote low ticket affiliate products instead of high ticket affiliate products. So for example, someone is a beginner affiliate marketer, then they start promoting Amazon product. But right now Amazon gives a very low commission. So before Amazon is paying 15 to 20% commission to their affiliates. But right now Amazon cut their commissions in half and right now they are only paying 3 to 5% commission. So for example, if you join Amazon affiliate program and someone purchase $100 product through your link, then you only get $3 to $5 commission. So $3 to $5 is nothing. Because if you promote low ticket affiliate products or you promote high ticket affiliate products, you need to give the same amount of your time and effort. But if you promote low ticket affiliate products like Amazon affiliate program, then you will only get 3 to 5% commission. And this is the biggest mistake that people are making while they are a beginner affiliate marketers. So instead joining Amazon affiliate program, you can join the high ticket affiliate program that will give you 60 to 70% commission. So that's why I recommend people to start promoting digital courses or softwares because if you promote a software, then you will get a recurring commission every single month. And if you promote digital courses, then you will get a 60 to 70% commission. So right now I'm in affiliate marketing niche and I'm promoting a course that give me 40 to 50% commission. So right now the course that I'm promoting is called Legendary Marketer. If you don't know what Legendary Marketer is, then Legendary Marketer gives people online marketing education and show them how they can make money online as an affiliate marketer. And they have a 15-day business builder challenge. So inside that challenge, they will teach you how you can start your affiliate marketing business in just 15 days. And you will also get your one-on-one business plan advisor that will help you to build your customized business plan. So if you also want to start with Legendary Marketer, then check the link in the description below. Now the fourth truth is shiny object syndrome. So when someone start affiliate marketing and they start creating a content for about 1 month, 2 months, and if they didn't get any result, then they give up on affiliate marketing, then they start chasing other business models like dropshipping, Amazon FBA, like that. But affiliate marketing is a very simple and easy business model to start compared to dropshipping, because in dropshipping you need to do everything by yourself, but in affiliate marketing you just need to focus 100% on marketing and your affiliate partner will handle all the other things. So when someone start affiliate marketing and they create a content for 6 months, and if they didn't get any views and leads, then they give up. But in affiliate marketing, you need to be consistent and take up patience, because without consistency, you will never get any results. So you need to be consistent and just start following the proven strategy that other successful affiliate marketers are using. And then if you are consistent, then you will definitely get results. Then the fifth truth is people are not building their brand. So in affiliate marketing, we are promoting other people's products and services, but it's very important to build your own brand, because if you are not building your brand, then people will not trust you, and once people will not trust you, then they will never purchase anything that you recommend. So you need to start building a brand, because if you build a brand, then people will trust you and people will get a more value from you. So if you are thinking about affiliate marketing for a long term, then you need to start building your brand, because without building a brand, you just spam your affiliate link and you will get some sales. But if you are thinking about a long term, then you must need to build your brand. So you can build your brand about any topic that you want. So there are basically three main evergreen niches that I talked about before, which is health, wealth, and relationship. So if you are interested about the health, then you need to start building a content about the health niche. And then you can find good affiliate products to promote inside the health niche. So my point is, if you want to start affiliate marketing for a long term, then you must need to build your brand and build your email list. So in my opinion, this is the 5 truths about affiliate marketing, and these are the most common truths why people fail in affiliate marketing. So if you are also an affiliate marketer, then comment below this video what is the most common obstacle that you face in your affiliate marketing business. And at the end, if you want to get my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. Because in my free affiliate marketing case study, I will show you everything that I'm doing inside my affiliate marketing business and earning commissions. I will show you which product I'm promoting. I will show you how I create content about that product, as well as I will show you my funnel and my email automation sequence. So if you are interested in getting my free affiliate marketing case study, then check the link in the description below. See you in the next video.